1,000 feet above the runway. 500 feet. Over the threshold, that's the beginning of the runway. And you'll see the pilots hold the nose up. That's a flare maneuver, all part of the energy management. Main gear touchdown. So the pilots will continue to hold the nose gear in the air as we continue to bleed off some energy as we run down the runway. And at the designated airspeeds, they will lower the nose gear as well. Nose gears down. Now, as our ground speed slows, when we reach a designated ground speed, the pilots will apply the brakes and bring the vehicle to a complete stop. All right, braking now. And there's wheel stop.
Oh my goodness. What a beautiful landing and a perfect way to complete our first commercial flight and our first dedicated science mission.